viewers all over the world. And of course, we have our partners on Zoom and those who are watching by way of television, Good News TV Guyana, and all around the world on social media as well. Join us as we pray. Pray for the peace of Zimbabwe. Pray for the nation you come from, including Zimbabwe here. And we have a lot of international visitors on this side. And then pray for the nation you are coming from. Pray for the nation you are coming from. And here we have people from different locations and beliefs and affiliations. It's a church. Understand that. What we need to do as Christians, just pray. 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 And love everyone. Don't hate anyone. Even the people that hate your father, according to the Bible, love them. Love your enemies. So understand, to those who hear a prophet, hear me well. Hear me well. We are not influenced by anybody to do what we do. No, only God influences prophets. Only God. All right? Only God. I encourage you. Stay in peace. Peace. Don't be part of the noise. Be part of the solution. Regardless of your political affiliations, favor peace first. Favor peace. And we have a lot of other MPs from other political parties and MPs from the ruling party in this church, and leaders and councillors from different places. Choose peace. Wherever you are, just choose peace. There is a solution for everything as long as there is peace. All right.
Good News World with Uebert Angel, provoking a reaction and always worth hearing.